just put that in that corner. Hi, I'm Lady Lori Mackey, and we invited you guys back here to our wonderful Keeping It Real Lighthouse located in Alpharetta, Georgia. We are a fresh food outreach, and we've invited you back because the other video we did, we got a lot of calls from people saying, hey, are we supposed to give to GoFundMe or are we supposed to give to Keeping It Real Lighthouse? Well, you give to Keeping It Real Lighthouse through GoFundMe. Our fundraiser is on GoFundMe, and we're raising a total of $24,000 to cover the expenses of our fresh food outreach. Your donation of any amount will allow us to be able to pay for staff, for gas, to get our refrigerator. We have this huge refrigerator over there, to get that fixed, to pay for help, because we definitely need help. Oh, to pay the electricity bill, which, by the way, was $1,000 for 1 month. So we definitely need your help. We give away food, clothing, staples, and other supplies to over 5,000 people a month. And no one that receives food or anything from us is ever charged. And the way we're able to do this is because we've been taking care of all the costs. And now we need your help to defray that cost. Hence the $24,000 to take care of 6 months worth of facility rent. Now once you do that, that would help us to continue delivering, because we deliver, of course, to all over Georgia. We go to Florida, Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, North and South Carolina. Oh, we've been to Texas. And we receive food, not just bread and pastries. We get hams from Honey Baked Hams. We get the groceries from Whole Foods. We get pastries and breads, of course, from Publix and Kroger's. We go to Chipotales. That's what I call them, as Chipotle's. We go to any place that allows us to come in and get their food. So we need your help. So remember, check out our website. We're at www.keepingitreallighthouse.com. But before you go to our website, give us a donation of any amount here on GoFundMe. Be blessed, and hey, come volunteer. You'll be glad you did.
Gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. As I turn up the collar on my favorite winter coat, this wind is blowing my mind. I see the kids in the street with not enough to eat. Who am I